This is Cromer Beach, Engine Shed Road, Model 3, 1955. We've got the water tower column depot down this end, followed by the turntable. I'll check that in the Cromer Shed with the electrics row behind.
Well, this is Crogslow. It's a good yard set loosely in the BR period, and all it's designed to do is just shunt wagons. It's designed as a very complex shunting puzzle layout. So we've got a coal stage here for unloading coal up into the factory here. We've got loco facilities over there, so we've got a coal stage over there and a crane here. And then for unloading general goods out of a boxed van, we've got the little goods shed over there, the little commander store over there. For container traffic, we've got the crane.
Right.
And then little station here.
Right, one.
Decal Transfer is a small shunting layout set in supposedly in the New England states, Vermont in particular, hence the colours of the trees for autumn. Basically, it's a double tuning fork for the passenger operation, which is 2 RDCs, and a sort of inglenook, 4-road inglenook for the ferry and the main line. So 6 wagons on the ferry get changed over. There's 2 spares in what would be the main line, which is the road that goes behind the big shed there.
This is Stibton. It's a motive power depot, loosely based on Southern Region practice, late 1960s, just English steam, and we have third rail electric and we have diesel as well. So at one end we have the steam depot. Across here we've got the electrics, and then down the other end we've got the diesel depot. I say it's loosely based on Southern Region practice because there are some interlopers in here, including a network Southeast Class 121, which wouldn't have been around at that time. It would have been in a different paint colour.
Yeah.
This is Tantui, a steam motor coach that ran on the MGN line before it closed in 1957, 1958. It was put on as a holiday excursion vehicle for holidaymakers running around the Norfolk coast. And this layout is depicting part of that layout. The M&GN circuit. The layout is between Potter Heigham and Stalham. Only part of it is shown here today because we haven't got room for the whole thing.
This is a long weight. It's a 009 scale. It's not based anywhere particular. There's wrong things not alike. We've got the double fairy, we've got the quarry huntlets. Little bits and pieces on it.
You've not got a chair back there? Wait. How's the event been so far?
Good.
Has it been good? What about you, Ollie? How's the event been so far?